Imagine holding a key to your destiny. Then a single glow pierced the darkness. A golden link shimmered with real promise. Millions trapped by broken promises and empty dreams. They've chased hope through countless dead ends. Frustration grew as families went hungry. Trust shattered under the weight of failed products. Disappointment echoed in every broken vow. Online users felt endless frustration month after month. They watched competitors succeed while they stood still. Every failed venture chipped away at their hope. They longed for a genuine chance to thrive. Promises came and vanished like fleeting shadows. Families waited for a breakthrough that never arrived. Each day felt like another closed door. People across continents unlocked that glow. Faces lit up when notifications arrived. Entrepreneurs felt hope surge in their veins. Families gathered, eyes wide with wonder. Every click unlocked doors no one saw. The Victory with Ash platform swelled with unity. Over 500,000 souls joined together. Stories of Jeff Roberti and others inspired us. Then one click changed everything overnight. The screen glowed golden in dim rooms. Strangers shared screenshots with trembling hands. Hope whispered through every pixel and ping. Suddenly, isolation gave way to connection. Entrepreneurs texted friends, inviting them aboard. Parents watched their children dream bigger. Colleagues formed teams around that shimmering link. Joy spread faster than any rumor. Overnight, conversations buzzed with shared possibility. CEO Ash Mufareh's vision ignited this revolution. His generous heart offered this golden invitation. He championed transparent growth and shared prosperity. His vision united dreamers under a common purpose. The world of e-commerce and digital marketing will transform lives with skill, vision, and passion. Leaders passed the link like a torch of hope. Communities blossomed, celebrating milestones and new beginnings. Transparency and unity became the pillars of progress. Hundreds of thousands found purpose and financial freedom. Jeff Roberti's breakthrough story fueled our collective fire. Ash Mufareh spoke of unity and love. He reminded us that true success uplifts everyone. His leadership turned individual sparks into wildfire. Transparency became our unbreakable promise to one another. Members gained real skills, building lasting legacies. Every milestone echoed far beyond personal gain. Our e-commerce and digital marketing journey will become a powerful force for good. Hundreds of success stories now inspire the next generation. This golden link is the bridge we share, the flame that ignites our dreams, and the promise of collective growth, abundance, and love for every community member. Claim your golden link today. What if a link could change lives? He sat alone, burdened by unanswered questions and fading hope. Every day felt like an uphill climb through unending darkness. Millions around the world share that same restless, desperate feeling. Isolation weighs heavy when you believe no one truly understands. Uncertainty breeds fear, locking ambitions inside a cage of doubt. Frustration grows with each dream slipping further out of reach. You crave direction, a spark to reignite your sense of purpose. Questions echo. Is there a real way out of misery? Hope feels distant, hidden behind walls we struggle to scale. Until a golden invitation link appears, promising something more. That single link could be the key to freedom. A simple click on the golden link opens a new door. Welcome to Victory with Ash, a community built on genuine love. Here, free education guides you step by step toward success. Mr. Ash Mufareh leads with unwavering compassion and true dedication. His vision transforms uncertainty into clarity with every heartfelt message. Verified members receive unstoppable support to grow personally and professionally. Lessons cover mindset, real skills, and authentic empowerment techniques. No fees block your path. This knowledge is a gift to all. This platform proves that true generosity can spark life-changing opportunity. Here, despair dissolves as connection and purpose take root within you. Every resource available empowers you to rewrite your own story. Armed with knowledge and love, you begin your own transformation journey. Confidence grows as you master skills and embrace community support. Every breakthrough proves that no challenge is truly insurmountable. Then comes the most powerful step, sharing your golden invitation link. Suddenly, you shift from seeker to benefactor, extending hope forward. You uplift others, guiding them from confusion into crystal clear purpose. You witness lives changing, dreams unfolding in real time. The ripple effect of generosity multiplies across borders and cultures. This collective mission turns solitary struggle into unified victory. Nothing feels greater than knowing your actions reshape someone's destiny. We owe this gift of opportunity to everyone we know and love. Together, we build a global family united by hope and progress. Hope is unstoppable. Share your golden link.